difficult. But let me tell you something, never give up, let your fire burn. But let me tell you something, don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve what you want to do. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve what you want to do. Success is waiting for you. Go ahead and make your dreams come true. Success is waiting for you. You've got the power inside. Let it out, let it take flight. You've got the power inside. Embrace your strength. You've got the might. Embrace your strength. You've got the might. Stand up tall, don't back down. Stand up tall, don't back down. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. You've got this, I know you do. Don't you ever forget you got this. You can accomplish anything, nothing can stop you yet. You can accomplish anything, nothing can stop you yet. Stay motivated, keep chilling, never lose your drive. Stay motivated. You're unstoppable, remember that and try. You're unstoppable, remember that and try. You've got the power inside, let it out, let it take flight. You've got the power inside. Embrace your strength, you've got the might. Embrace your strength, you've got the might. Stand up tall, don't back down. Stand up tall, don't back down. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. Don't listen to negativity, focus on the positive. Don't listen to negativity, focus on the positive. Mind over matter, keep it moving. Be optimistic, mind over matter. It's okay to stumble, it's okay to fall. It's okay to stumble, it's okay to fall. Just pick yourself up and keep moving. You can conquer all. Just pick yourself up and keep moving. You can conquer all. You've got the power inside. Let it out, let it take flight. You've got the power inside. Embrace your strength. You've got the might. Embrace your strength. You got the might. Stand up tall, don't back down. Stand up tall, don't back down. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. Believe in yourself, wear your crown. So go ahead, chase your dreams, make them into reality. So go ahead. You've come this far, there's so much more you can be. You've come this far, there's so much more you can be. Stay true to yourself, let your heart guide the way. Stay true to yourself, let your heart guide the way.